In this video, I am going to introduce to you 5 amazing websites that can help you land your first remote internship or job. So I'll not waste much of your time. Let's go straight to the point. If you go to Google, kindly search for Idealist. It is an amazing platform where you can find organizations and recruiters looking to employ. So day in and out, recruiters or employers keep posting different job opportunities. So this is the website. You have a list of jobs that are posted like an hour ago, 18 hours ago. You can scroll through and find what you think you are qualified for to apply. We have roles like policy associate, contracted tutors, chief technology officer, a whole lot. So keep scrolling and look for what you think you are fit for to apply. Yes. And also, you can tap on the search to be specific in your job search. You can type remote and it will display all the remote roles that you can do wherever you are in the world. We have those based in the United States, those in Canada, those in Africa. You can keep scrolling. Kindly spend some time to navigate through the website to understand how certain functions work on the website. Yes. We have a lot of list of rules that are posted daily. So kindly have time for it. Yes, this is the manager group. Yes, this is the job. You have all the description and everything over there. Yes. Yes. Yes, keep scrolling. You'll find what best suits you to apply. Kindly keep scrolling. These are all the internship roles and jobs that are going to be displayed on your screen when you search for Idealist on Google. Yes. So the second website that we are going to talk about is Simply Hired. It is also an amazing website that you can use to find a remote role. Yes. This is how the interface of the website looks like. We have a lot of roles that are being posted daily. The other website, the third website is We Work Remotely. You can find a lot of roles over there that you can apply as well. And finally, the last website is remote.co. Remote.co. It is almost like We Work Remotely. You can find different roles. So I wish you good luck. Kindly keep applying, and I hope that someday you will land on a beautiful job. Good luck in your job search. Thank you.